Hey guys, it's Big G Finance and Investments, and welcome back to my channel. So before we start this video, please like my channel, subscribe, and stay tuned for more news. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So in this video, we're gonna explore if AMC is a pump or a dump. So AMC is making headlines again after it's recovered to around $9 to $10. We have some good news in the market. Recent news with bonds are up. And great news about AMC itself. New York City, which has been shut down for a year, is opening up AMC and movie theaters at 25% capacity. That's insane. AMC is essentially the biggest movie theater after Regal in the whole world. I'm really excited about this whole stock and everything coming back. So I really think AMC is a good thing to look out for. So what's the latest news? Basically, New York City has announced that even on March 5th, all the movie theaters are opening at 25% capacity. This is a major announcement, being that AMC has its headquarters in New York City. And basically, a lot of experts are talking about that this could be a really good sign for AMC in terms of profit and potentially a buyout in the future. So a lot of people think that by July, knock on wood, that everything will be open in full capacity for movie theaters. We have good news with jobless claims dropping slightly. We have more things opening up, and we have a lot of demand for movies. Like, frankly, I miss movies. I haven't seen a movie for a year in a movie theater, so I'm really excited myself. We have retail excitement, we have companies, and essentially what we see the prices are, we saw AMC at around $250 at its lowest point, and then we had the Wall Street bets where it just went all the way up and went down. But essentially we have real news that this is a viable company to invest in. The market cap is $2.32 billion, and we have an amazing amount of potential with this company. There's also news which is more speculative, whether AMC would be bought by Amazon, which is a major possibility because Amazon has had record sales with their Prime, and AMC offers some of the best retail and mall real estate in the country. So Amazon has been rumored to want to create a buyout for AMC and create their own movie theater chain, which is a serious possibility. It's not set in stone, but it could happen. Amazon Prime and Jeff Bezos and others have been talking about it, but it's not set in stone. So don't get your hopes up, but stay tuned. We'll see. Like I said, Amazon and AMC. AMC has so much real estate in the United States, some of the biggest real estate holders. If you go to malls, you see movie theaters which are empty. There's just so much space here. And I think that Hollywood and the U.S. economy is based a lot on entertainment. So I don't see this company being allowed to fail, or other corporations such as Amazon allowing to fail. So I think this is a serious long-term move here. One of the major stock rated agencies, Zacks, rates this as number 2 for buy, based on essentially really high trading volume in the hundreds of billions, which is like an insane amount of trades going on. It's really popular with the Wall Street bets, which, if you didn't hear about it, is AKA like the average person who invests, like a younger person or in general that's not part of Wall Street. We have institutional support with corporations, and we have an insane amount of shares being traded. On my paper, it says almost 135 million and counting volume, which is insane. Given these factors, should you invest in the company? I wouldn't be surprised if this is a great move long term. Zacks has rated number 2. We have a lot of good news coming about AMC, and they've rated it at A, which is number 2 in their list. Obviously do your research, but I think there's a lot of good potential going on with this stock. We all miss movie theaters. I do too. Serious buyout opportunities. And I think a lot of people are going to go back to hospitality, traveling, and other things when the pandemic, is finally easing now, knock on wood, which is great. So I just want to share with you guys this news video today about AMC, whether you should invest in it, etc. I would say yes. In my opinion, in my personal experience, I have some money in AMC. I don't have all my eggs in one basket, but I think this is different from GameStop. I really appreciate GameStop and the stock with people pumping it and giving it to the man, Wall Street, and proving something. But AMC has the popular appeal. It has people investing in it, and it has serious long-term potential with people wanting to go back to movies, including myself. I really miss movies. I'm sure you do too. Maybe we should go to a movie, but yeah, so please stay tuned to this. This is a really good company to watch out for. So I just wanted to share with you guys a different thing with news today. So if you like this video, please like the button, smash that like button, subscribe, and get your 2 free stocks from Webull linked below of freebies. If you spend $100 or more on stocks, get 2 free stocks up to $1,815. Get that, and stay tuned for my next video. Ciao.